What up, y'all? It's Juggastoned and a raptor headless camera raptor. My wife Jessie, say hi.
Hello.
And today we're reviewing Pringles Roasted Turkey. Juggastoned's Funhouse! Yeah! Now, Jessica is really excited. She's been trying to open this for the last minute, 2 minutes now, and I keep talking about the stupid video. So, go ahead, Jess. Unwrap. What did I do? Oh, the fun started, and it's not going to stop. It's not going to stop. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here you go.
It's like turkey stuffing.
Yeah, it's more stuffing flavor than turkey flavor.
Eliza, do you want to try a chip?
What's that? Chip? I'm right. I'm coming. Hold on. Come here, Eliza.
We're going to have a full chip.
Come here. Turn around. Try your chip.
Say it's a turkey flavored chip. Tastes good? Give me a Coke.
She pinched and poked me.
She says, I give it a 9. They're really good. You got a limited edition.
Limited.
So, move fast.
Yeah, you have to get them now. But would you buy them?
These are really good. Oh my god, can you imagine making your own stuffing with these?
Making your own stuffing with turkey flavored Pringles. I wouldn't recommend it. Seems kind of cost inefficient, but also pretty baller.
They're really good. I'm about to go into my second serving size. We're going 2 servings today.
2 servings.
There's 6 per container.
6 per container. So wait, you're telling me you've already ate a third of the container?
It tastes like when you lick the skin of the turkey.
Yeah, it's skin
what
flavored.
What that tastes like. But they turn it into a chip.
Mm-hmm. Out of 10? Give it an 8.
I give it a 10. I'd go to town on these.
You heard that. She'd go to town on that bird chip.
You gotta like lick the chip and then eat the chip.
Yeah.
What do you think, kitty cat?
Don't give the cat a chip.
It's like...
Yeah, she's not about it. That's what she thinks. That's what I thought.
Nothing to do with it.
Nothing to do with it.
Oh, you know what? Put it on the ground.
That's it. I recommend them. Jessica recommends them.
I'm a fan. Better to buy stock.
What?
Like not actual stock, like stocks and bonds.
Stock up, not
Going
like
stock up.
Stocks. No stonks over here.
But you can eat it all the way through Christmas.
All the way through Christmas. Technically, you should be eating turkeys
You know what I mean?
anytime, honestly. It's not a holiday thing. But yeah.
No, but it's limited edition. It's on a holiday plate. They got bay leaves.
They do have bay leaves.
It's a holiday
here.
can.
Bay leaf. And I ain't talking Pokemon. Do you know? You probably don't get that reference. There's a Pokemon named Bayleaf. That's real. Probably gonna flash.
Was it after the first 150 of them?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Chikorritas. So it was the second. It was the second 100. So 150 to 250. Bayleaf was in that.
Is that like blue or silver?
No, he's green.
No, not the Pokemon, the edition.
Gold and silver.
Gold.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that about wraps it up for this review of Pringles Oven Roasted Turkey flavor. We highly recommend it. Be sure to like, subscribe, check out any other videos. On Mondays we do reviews like this. On Wednesdays we do talks. Sometimes I'm going to cook something, sometimes we're going to fix something. All you got to do is tune in to find out. And most importantly, Pringles, pay us!